AI, artificial intelligence, automation refers to the use of AI technologies to automate tasks that were previously performed by humans. This can include anything from data entry and analysis, to customer service and support, to manufacturing and logistics. The goal of AI automation is to improve efficiency, accuracy, and speed in various industries and applications, while reducing the need for human intervention. By using AI technologies such as machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision, AI automation can handle tasks that are repetitive, time-consuming, or require complex decision-making. For example, in customer service, AI automation can be used to handle routine inquiries and provide personalized recommendations to customers, freeing up human agents to focus on more complex issues. In manufacturing and logistics, AI automation can optimize supply chain management, reduce waste and errors, and improve production efficiency. Overall, AI automation has the potential to transform various industries and enhance the way we live and work. However, it's important to consider the ethical and social implications of AI automation, such as potential job displacement and bias in decision-making algorithms.